All right, we are here with Coach Phillip Williams of Tivoli Gardens. Coach Phillip, second defeat in a row, 3-1 defeat to Cavaliers today. What are the factors that think contributed to your team not getting a positive result?
I mean, we made a sequence of mistakes in a short period of time. I think about first 10 minutes in the second half, and that's where Cavaliers score their goals and definitely break us. At this level, those type of mistakes are not accepted, and it is something that has been plaguing us in terms of the technical ability of the players controlling and passing, and also decision making. Up front is something that we have been working on and something that has been plaguing us right throughout in terms of our decision making up front also. Although yes, Cavaliers scored 3 goals, 2 of which I think were caused by our lack of concentration and probably to say the least technical ability in terms of getting ball under control. We had chances to at least make this game a little bit more difficult, a little bit closer than it would finish, and we did not put away our chances. And that is something that have been plaguing us all season, and we have been trying to work on that. We brought in players, and but we seem not to be able to fix that problem. But we're still working on it.
I also realized that in the second half, when you made the changes, the team seemed to have been disorganized. Like, I don't know if the players weren't following the instruction, but they came out and I don't know, the communication broke down. I mean, it appears that there is a discipline in terms of how the players manage themselves on the field. I mean, how are you going to look at that, or did you see the same thing?
Well, I saw the same thing, and I think the reason for that was there was a change of formation in the running of the game, and that caused some amount of confusion with some of the players not knowing their roles and function. That is something that the coaching staff will definitely have to talk about together, because the decision was made not unilaterally. Understand me, and that caused some amount of confusion in terms of the instruction given to players that were out there and players that came on, and that is something I think that the coaching staff will definitely have to meet and sit and talk about.
Uh, Coach Williams, all the best. You know, I know it's a defeat, but you know, all the best for the rest of the season. At least you have 2 more rounds.
Yeah, definitely. I
to
mean,
go.
it's a defeat, yeah, but I mean, what's more disheartening about it is the way we play, because we have lost other games, and we take some amount of comfort in terms of how well we had played and how competitive and how organized we look. Today we look totally disorganized, and that's a loss that is very hard to swallow. But I mean, as I said, there are rounds to come, and we normally get better as the longer the season goes, and we are banking on that. We just need to correct the areas that definitely need to be corrected, and hopefully we can get some results.
One last thing I'll say is that I believe Tivoli have some of the better centre backs. Have you ever considered using a back three because you have some of the better quality centre backs?
That is something that we have considered, but I mean, if you look at the mobility of some of the centre backs, I don't think they will be able to manage the back three. With young Pennycook out and injured, that even make it a more difficult decision for us to make and experiment with.
All right. Coach Williams, thank you so much, and all the best for the rest of the
Yeah,
season.
man, thanks much.
Yeah.